Not all BMWs are built the same. Sure, they're fast, luxurious, and impossible to ignore. They look good, they feel good, and they carry that unmistakable prestige. But behind the performance and the polish, there's always that lingering question: will it last? BMW has built a reputation, and not all of it is flattering. Some say the brand is expensive to maintain. Others claim the reliability is unpredictable. Brilliant one year, frustrating the next. It's the kind of concern that keeps even loyal fans second-guessing their next move. But what if that reputation doesn't tell the full story? What if some BMWs actually stand out, not just for their speed or style, but for how well they hold up over time? In today's video, we're breaking it all down. The 10 most reliable BMWs you can buy in 2025. We're not just listing models, we're helping you avoid costly mistakes. These are the hidden gems, the proven performers, the ones that deliver power without punishment. So buckle up, because this list might just change the way you think about BMWs forever. At number 10, we start with something unexpected: the BMW 128Ti and its bolder sibling, the M340iX Drive. These aren't the models that usually steal the spotlight, but maybe they should. Both are compact hatchbacks, light, sharp, and deceptively quick. Under the hood of the 128Ti, you get a tuned 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, pumping out 261 horsepower. Step up to the M135iX Drive, and you're looking at a thrilling 302 horsepower, all in a small, agile package. But here's the real twist: these cars are built on BMW's newer front-wheel drive UKL platform, not the older, more complex rear-wheel systems. That change means fewer mechanical issues, fewer moving parts, fewer trips to the repair shop, and the price. Surprisingly smart. You can find clean examples between $30,000 and $45,000. Just make sure the early software glitches have been patched. An easy fix with a quick update. If you're looking for a modern BMW that blends performance with real-world reliability, this is one of the best-kept secrets on the road. Coming in at number 9 is a car that's as elegant as it is underrated: the BMW Z4. From 2019 to 2023, this convertible wasn't just a pretty face, it was proof that performance and reliability don't have to be at odds. You've got two main flavors: the S Drive30i with its efficient B48 2.0-liter turbo engine delivers punchy acceleration and nimble handling, and then there's the M40i, armed with BMW's beloved B58 3.0-liter inline 6, a powerhouse with real pedigree, offering a smooth, thrilling ride whether you're weaving through traffic or gliding down a coastal highway. But beyond the performance, what really makes the Z4 stand out is how little drama it brings to the garage. This isn't your typical temperamental sports car. It's mechanically clean, it sips oil responsibly, and its drivetrain is built to last, even if you like to drive it hard. On the used market, you'll find these from $35,000 to $55,000. Not cheap, but considering the looks, the performance, and the peace of mind, it's a smart buy for anyone who wants top-down freedom without the usual repair bills. Stylish, reliable, and just wild enough to make every drive feel like a getaway. At number 8, we shift gears to something a little more grown up, but no less impressive: the BMW 530i, specifically the 2017 to 2022 models. This is the executive's secret weapon, a luxury sedan that delivers comfort, class, and above all, dependability. Under the hood is BMW's B48 2.0-liter turbocharged inline 4. It may not roar like a V8, but that's exactly the point. It's smooth, efficient, and far more reliable than the brand's thirstier, more complex engines. With fewer moving parts and less heat stress, it just runs and keeps running. This isn't just about the powertrain. The 530i is built with simplicity in mind. Repairs are straightforward, parts are easy to find, even common wear and tear items like suspension components are affordable to replace. That's rare for a luxury sedan. On the used market, you'll find these priced between $28,000 and $45,000. And for that money, you get a sleek, professional machine that doesn't just drive well, it holds up, quiet on the highway, confident in the city, built to last. If you want a BMW that's as reliable as your morning routine, the 530i is a smart bet. At number 7, we've got the perfect entry point into the world of BMW, the 228i Grand Coupe, built between 2020 and 2023. It's small, sleek, and surprisingly refined, designed for young professionals, first-time luxury buyers, or anyone chasing that BMW badge without blowing up their budget. This compact four-door doesn't just look sharp, it feels upscale. With its sculpted lines, bold front end, and coupe-like roof line, the 228i easily passes for something far more expensive. Whether it's parked in your driveway or gliding through city streets, it commands attention. But it's not just about appearances. Under the hood is the reliable B48 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, a proven workhorse used across BMW's lineup. It delivers smooth acceleration, great fuel economy, and a track record of dependability. You won't find a lot of surprise trips to the mechanic here. And here's the real hook, the price. You can grab a used 228i Grand Coupe for as low as $22,000, with high-spec versions topping out around $35,000. That's incredible value for a car that delivers style, tech, sporty handling, and peace of mind. If you're stepping into the luxury car world for the first time, the 228i Grand Coupe is the BMW that makes you feel like you've already arrived. At number 6, we shift into SUV territory with a model that checks nearly every box. The BMW X3X Drive30i, especially from the 2018 to 2023 range, is one of BMW's most balanced vehicles to date. It's refined, roomy, reliable, and surprisingly low maintenance for a luxury SUV. Under the hood is the ever-dependable B48 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4. It's the same engine trusted across BMW's lineup, delivering smooth acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency. But what truly sets the X3 apart is its practicality. No overcomplicated tech, no fragile drivetrain quirks, just a solid, confident performer. While many luxury SUVs bring headaches with their complexity, the X3 keeps it simple. And that simplicity pays off. Maintenance is more affordable, and long-term ownership is far less stressful. The only real weak spot, some wear and tear on the cooling system's plastic components. But even that is a known, easy fix. For around $30,000 to $50,000, depending on mileage and trim, you get a mid-size SUV that delivers luxury without the usual baggage. It has space, comfort, style, and most importantly, longevity. If you want a BMW that handles family life, road trips, and city traffic without breaking a sweat, the X3X Drive30i is your go-to choice. At number 5, we take a step back in time to a BMW that refuses to be forgotten. The E46 330i, built between 2003 and 2006, is more than just an old car. It's a mechanical legend. This was BMW at its purest. No oversized screens, no flashy gimmicks, just a beautifully balanced machine powered by the iconic M54 3.0-liter inline-6, an engine that's as smooth as it is reliable. It delivers power without drama, and it's built to last. What makes the E46 so special isn't just the way it drives, it's how easy it is to live with. Mechanics know this engine inside and out. Parts are everywhere, and repairs, surprisingly affordable for a German sports sedan. You can find one of these classics today for as little as $8,000, with clean examples topping out around $15,000. And what you get is timeless, razor-sharp handling, a perfect weight balance, and that old-school BMW feel that's missing from so many modern models. For anyone chasing reliability, driver engagement, and a piece of BMW's golden era, the E46 330i isn't just a smart buy, it's a reminder of when driving was about connection, not just convenience. At number 4, we return to SUV territory, but this time with serious muscle. The BMW X5X Drive30i, built from 2020 to 2023, isn't just another luxury SUV. It's a powerhouse wrapped in refinement. Under the hood sits BMW's trusted B58 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6, a smooth, strong, and incredibly reliable engine that's been praised across the entire BMW lineup. It delivers effortless acceleration and a driving experience that feels far more agile than you'd expect from a vehicle this size. But what really sets this generation apart is how much BMW has refined the formula. The updated air suspension system, vastly improved, more durable, more comfortable, and far less prone to the failures seen in older X5s. The result is a full-size SUV that feels both athletic and plush, ready for long family road trips or a night out downtown. Prices range from $45,000 to $65,000, depending on spec spec and mileage. And for that, you're getting a versatile machine that blends practicality with performance and does it all with style. Just make sure to check for oil leaks and confirm a clean maintenance record. Do that and the X5X Drive30i becomes one of the smartest long-term luxury investments you can make. At number 3, we step into full-size luxury with none of the usual stress. The BMW 740i, especially in its recent years, is proof that a flagship sedan can deliver comfort and reliability in equal measure. At its core is the B58 3.0-liter inline-6, one of BMW's most dependable engines. Smooth, powerful, and battle-tested across the lineup, it gives the 740i surprising agility for a car this size, without sacrificing long-term peace of mind. Treat it well, follow the maintenance schedule, and this sedan will glide through the years with barely a hiccup. This is luxury done right. The ride is whisper quiet, the cabin feels like a private jet, and the best part? It doesn't come with the usual high-end baggage. No temperamental electronics, no finicky engines, just refined performance and serious durability. Prices sit between $50,000 and $70,000 depending on options and mileage. Yes, it's a premium price, but in return, you're getting a full-size executive experience that won't punish you for driving it daily. For those who want their luxury smooth, silent, and stress-free, the 740i is a hidden gem. At number 2, we have a turning point for BMW, a car that changed the conversation around reliability. The BMW 330i G20, especially from 2019 to 2023, isn't just another 3 Series, it's the one that got it right. For years, earlier versions of the 3 Series carried baggage. Engines like the N20 and N26 were known for their issues, timing chains, oil leaks, reliability concerns. But then BMW made a shift. With the G20 generation, they introduced the B48 2.0-liter turbo inline-4, and everything changed. The B48 brought power, 255 horses of it, but also dependability. It runs smooth, efficient, and doesn't carry the same risks as its predecessors. And when paired with the G20's solid chassis and refined design, it creates a driving experience that feels premium and worry-free. Inside, the 330i G20 shines even brighter. The cabin is modern, clean, and beautifully built. You get intuitive tech, quality materials, and a layout that puts the driver first. It's quiet, it's confident, it just feels right. With used prices ranging from $25,000 to $40,000, it's one of the best value luxury sedans on the market. No gimmicks, no compromises, just a smart, stylish BMW that gets the job done every day, every mile. If you've ever dreamed of owning a 3 Series but were scared off by the past, the G20 is your redemption car. Here it is, the king of the list. The BMW M340i, model years 2020 to 2023, is the ultimate blend of power, precision, and proven reliability. It's not just the best performance BMW you can buy today, it might be the smartest. At the heart of this beast is the B58 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6, delivering a thrilling 382 horsepower. It's fast, very fast, but more importantly, it's durable. This engine has earned a near mythical status among BMW owners for how bulletproof it is. This isn't a car you just drive on weekends. You can daily it, commute in it, even road trip across states in it. It's a true sports sedan without the maintenance nightmares. Used prices range from $30,000 to $55,000 depending on mileage and trim. And aside from an occasional oil gasket check, these machines are built to take abuse and keep going. The M340i is the holy grail for BMW fans who want the thrill of an M car with the reliability of a Toyota. It's that rare mix of performance and peace of mind. And in 2025, it stands tall as the most reliable performance BMW on the road. So there you have it, BMWs that defy the stereotype, models that blend performance, style, and most importantly, reliability. Whether you're hunting for a first luxury car or looking to upgrade without the repair bills, these are the machines that deliver without disappointment. But remember, buying the right BMW isn't just about speed or looks, it's about finding the one that lasts. And now, you've got the blueprint. If you found this list helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more real talk car guides and deep dives, and hit that bell icon because the next one might just save you thousands. This is the car world, unfiltered.